Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I want to show you how to apply the text-to-speech feature in your TikTok videos like this.
Subscribe to my channel Simple Dad, like and share.
This is a great feature as it allows the text to be heard and read by your viewers. So open your TikTok app, record your video or upload your own video. Once you have the video, tap on the text at the bottom to apply a text. Now type in your text and format the text like you want it. Press done at the top right. Now tap on the text again. A small menu should appear. Tap on text to speech option. The feature will load up and apply to your video. It will then start playing. This feature will work great with only one text box on screen at a time. To add another text box, change the duration of the first text box and then add your second text box. And once you've done editing the clip, you can now post your video to TikTok. And there you go, that is how to apply the text-to-speech feature on your TikTok videos. Hope you found this useful. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.